We are. It's Green Day.
That's cute.
I hope I knocked it over.
Okay, so
Hi, everybody.
what if hopefully I'm in the
Are you
camera.
even recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay. I just like to do hit the record button.
I did. Let me just triple check. Okay, yes, I did record.
You should definitely include that as
Okay, I will. Okay, so we got all of your responses. Look how many responses we got.
Holy crap. Okay.
And I have one to add. I guess I already did that. Okay, so a couple, I guess like last week, I asked everyone to give Dana some travel tips and tricks. Because this is her first flight.
I know.
Which is very exciting.
It's in a whole 2 days. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
It's pretty cool.
I
I'm so
know.
excited
I'm so
for you.
excited.
Okay, so you guys showed up and you gave lots of really good advice. So I'm going to share it with you.
Excited to hear it.
Number 1.
Let's hear it.
Flip-flops or easy slip on and off shoes for TSA. So,
Okay.
if you don't have pre-check, which you do not, which is fine, but you have to take your shoes off.
Okay.
So what I wear is tennis shoes because I refuse to be barefoot on the ground because that's disgusting. So I will wear tennis shoes with socks and then just take the shoes off and go like that. But that's a great advice. Something that's easy to slip on and off because it's like quick.
You know what? Whoever sent that actually already saved my life because the outfit I was wearing, the shoes I planned on wearing,
Wait, really?
totally not.
Were you gonna wear sandals?
No, I was wearing like they're tennis shoes, but like you can't just slip them on.
Yeah,
You
no.
have to untie them.
Honestly, wear those.
I'm probably going to.
We
So
can
thank
match.
you to whoever sent that because A1 advice. Thank you.
That's great. Okay, next, and this is what we're gonna need this on our flight coming home.
Okay.
Go straight to your security check and avoid the massive lines. So when you are, well, that could be really anything. Oh, time out. There was a part 1. That was part 2. Okay, when traveling internationally, which we are, never stop to use the restroom when you get off the plane. Go straight to security check and avoid the massive lines. There we go.
Okay.
That's good advice.
Okay.
Also, I was just thinking like,
So her like stop drinking like before the flight ends.
I mean, yeah. I usually go to the bathroom when I'm at baggage claim. Like when I'm picking up my bags. That's usually where I go because there's no one there.
Okay.
There was something else I was going to say with that, but I forgot. I don't remember. Oh, what I do, I will go, I guess this is sometimes, but I will go to my gate and then see what kind of food is around. But also that depends on how much time we have. So like on our first flight, we have plenty of time so we can go get food wherever.
Okay.
But like on our way home, like we're not eating on the way home.
No, we're booking.
Guys, there's a solid chance that we're missing our second flight, so we'll see how it
Potentially
goes.
third first at staying in Pennsylvania. We'll find out.
We'll see how that goes. Okay, this is really, really good advice. Chew gum or sip water on takeoff and landing to help your ears pop.
Ooh, that is a good one too.
Do you know about that? The pressure?
I've seen it in movies. Didn't know how accurate it was, but I have seen that in movies.
So, and I don't know. Someone let me know if this is true, but for me, it doesn't happen anymore. Okay. Like it's the same. Like I feel the same as just right now. But I do remember like as a kid it being pretty bad, and so I would just chew gum, or if you can make yourself yawn, sometimes that helps.
Oh, that won't happen, but I'll definitely chew gum.
It is kind of weird though sometimes when you have your headphones in and then your ears start to pop. That feels kind of weird, but it's not bad.
Okay.
It's okay. Ooh, this is my girl Christian. This is my bestie. This is Marley's mom.
Oh
yeah, she's cute. Chargers and extra headphones. Download Netflix movies. Ooh. So I will show you how to do that. But yeah, so so we're flying United. I don't believe, I could be wrong, but I don't believe American has actual outlets.
Okay.
Like at the seat. I can't remember if United does or not. But so I bring 2 headphones. I will bring wireless, and then I will also bring the ones that have like, the like port that looks like this.
This is how you explained it the last time.
I know.
Too.
The port that looks like this. I'll bring those.
Great, guys.
Yeah. I'll bring those in case the flight has like a screen or whatever, and then you can plug in your headphones. And then those are also over the ear. Ooh, also I have an adapter that I can plug those into my iPhone. So if my ears get sore, I can put the over the ears ones on. You know, when you're flying,
I have all that stuff. I have an
Okay.
adapter, and I have all of
Both
those.
types of, okay, bring all that.
Yes.
You know, when you're flying internationally for like 12 hours at a time, your ears get really sore, so I like to mix them up.
I could see that.
Okay, love this one. Bring a water bottle, 100%. Just, you need to remember to empty it out before you go through security, which I'll obviously tell you all that. Snacks, you can bring food through security.
Okay.
You can't bring liquid, but you can bring food. Well, you can bring like the small travel size of like shampoo and stuff, and we'll do all that when we're packing. But obviously, yes, bring a backpack,
Have one of those.
fanny pack,
Have one of those
and
too.
noise canceling headphones, which
Don't
kind
have
of the same
those.
things.
But
that was good. That was
a
lit.
good one too.
All right, and the last one, oh, okay, this is actually helpful if you get sick. Motion sickness meds that make you sleep, snacks, books, and movies.
Awesome. Honestly, I'm not too sure about the motion sickness. I don't think so, because I've never gotten sick on like boats, and I've done plenty of those.
Yeah. Do you ride roller coasters?
No.
But do you not ride them because of how it feels, or because it's scary, like the drops and all that kind of stuff?
I think I could deal with like the drop in my stomach if it was the heights thing and the crickety. Yeah, no.
Okay,
I don't
fair.
do all that.
So you like the flight I was just on coming home from Cabo. The pilot I think was 12 and learning how to fly a remote airplane, and I swear I'm not trying to freak you out, but there was a moment it was like a whoosh, and my stomach just quickly went, you know, like flop, and then it's fine, and then you feel fine. But
so like I've never actually like there was one time I've ever thrown up from that feeling. That's after I rode the American Eagle for the very first time. I was young, but I've never like in cars like big hill. Yeah, I've never actually thrown up.
Honestly, you'll be fine. And if it makes you feel any better, I have thrown up on an airplane twice. So even if you do, who cares? It's okay.
I mean, you'll be there.
We have the I know.
So
we have the bag.
You'll be the one having to smell it.
I'll grab your bag. They have the little bags, and then you can fold it, and then you can call the flight attendant, and they'll throw them.
Oh, that poor lady! I would hate that job.
I know. Do you have anything else? That was it. That was some good advice.
That really was good advice, because I was questioning the water bottle. I think we actually had this talk before. So I will bring probably just a like plastic one so I can empty it and fill it.
And on the flight, you will also get snacks and a drink.
Okay.
So that's good to know.
I will probably put snacks in my backpack.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Bring like granola bars, chips, like things like that are easy to carry. Obviously, I will help you pack, so we can kind of do that together.
Perfect.
And I already told you this, but download the app of the airline, which we already did all your stuff.
Yes, I have that.
That's very important.
Yes.
They'll send you all the updates and everything.
Okay. Perfect. Because weirdly enough, I kept getting this like weird feeling that I clicked the wrong flight. And I had this dream the other night that on the way back, we didn't realize that I had a different flight than yours until last minute.
No.
And it was very scary. So let's just say I was left somewhere. I didn't know where I was.
I get worried about stuff like that too, honestly.
Yeah.
Like for clients, I will triple check that everything. Like I'm terrified. I have this like nervous fear that I'm accidentally gonna book a flight to one country and their stay. And that's not gonna happen, okay? It's not gonna happen. But I always get really nervous about that. So I triple check everything.
That's a valid. And plus it's my first time flying, so I think that's extra why I'm like, oh my god, I think I have the wrong flight. But no,
it'll be good.
Trust me, we're gonna be good.
It'll be good.
I'll bring all the
we
gum
got this.
And water bottles and easy
and honestly,
slip-on shoes.
If you need a shot of vodka before we go, we'll get that.
You know, I already know I'm having a drink.
Wait, our flight's at 6 a.m. So we. No, wait. What time? Yeah, our flight's at 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's early. There's got to be some.